Hi, in this video we'll be continuing with the C# video tutorials. So in this video we'll be going over, I think it's just a value returning method, another lab on that. So let's see what we have here. So I have a form set up. So we have a cups text box that's here. Then we have ounces label that's here. And then we have a convert button. Don't have an exit button, so we don't really need one. Then two blank labels. So again, we could have coded everything. That would take a while because you need to lay out at least two rows, and maybe actually 3 rows and perhaps 1 column. That takes a long time to set up, so we'll be doing that, the full layout in the lab. We'll try to do what we can here as far as coding objects. Excuse me. So we'll have a method here called private double cups to ounces. So we'll just go down here below the constructor. We'll have that. Keyboard never works right away. Okay. So here we'll have a private. There's a braille on my keyboard. Okay, so private double. So this method returns a double. Cups to ounces. Then it takes a parameter double cups. Takes a double cups parameter, so then we'll have here return cups times 8.0. That must be the formula to convert. So then after that, so convert button, so we'll create that in the code here instead of generating the event handler. So we'll just go in the constructor here. We'll reference the convert. Did I not name the button? I don't think I did. Okay, so we'll click on that. Change the identifier to convert button. I'll hit enter. So then now we should be able to reference that here. So convert button dot click with a capital plus equals new event handler. Then here we'll say convert button underscore click. That's what we want to call it. That should be all. Then under here we'll create that. So we'll say private. I don't want to space it out, but it's gonna space my methods out. So private void convert button underscore click takes parameter object sender and event args e, and there we go. Then here we'll say we'll have a local double cups and ounces. So double cups comma ounces. Then we'll say if double dot try parse. So double dot try parse. We'll pass in cups text box dot text comma out cups. And if that returns true, then we'll continue into the method. So we'll say ounces points to, so then we'll call cups to ounces. Because remember, cups to ounces returns a double, in which we have a double ounces here. Then we'll pass in cups. So you can do that. You can call a method in a method. So this is a method that returns a double. Therefore, we can point a double variable to it because it's going to return a double value. Here we're calling a double method cups to ounces, passing in cups, which is also a double, because it takes a parameter double cups. Right, so that's how it works. So ounces points to cups to ounces, passing in cups as a parameter here, and then we'll have, I guess, as an argument to the parameter. Then we'll have here, we'll display the ounces, so we'll say ounces label dot text points to ounces dot to string, passing in N1 for a format string. I think that just means 1 decimal. Then in the else, we'll have an else clause here. That does the goddamn brackets automatically. Okay. Now something's all messed up, of course. Stupid thing. Does the goddamn brackets automatically? I never asked for that. No, for God's sake. Okay, so else, and we'll have a message box dot show. Then we'll say enter a valid number as a string. Enter valid number. Message box dot show enter a valid number. That should be it. Alright, so let me just check what's happening here. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it, what's happening in this code. So we're just, when we click the convert button, as long as the value is a valid double, it's going to try to pass the string as a double. Then it's just going to convert and display in the message box. So let me just run this. So this thing's going to pop up like whatever's on the screen. So I'll enter some, you can't see this, but I'll enter, for example, 12 cups. And it'll tell me how many ounces. Done. That's it. Nothing too crazy at all. Oh, I had still an app running from last time. Hopefully that didn't slow down the PC. Ruin the videos. Okay, hopefully it didn't ruin the quality of the videos. Why is that stupid thing up the